So we are at Green Acres today in Northern California. It's hard to see, but it's right there. Super excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Excited to check it out. So many tomatoes. Decisions. And a whole other side. And more flowers. And more seeds. All of our seeds after 20 minutes of looking at seeds. All these beautiful plants, but I don't need any more right now. Focusing on the garden. That one's actually kind of cool. Hold on. This place is ridiculously huge. Now we're outside for another spot. We're planting and pots and seeds. So I think I just found my new hangout spot. There's so much here that I'm pretty sure I can't see all in a day. But I'm excited that I found this place. Fruit trees, let's try to find them. Yeah, a whole nother spot. Looking for fruit trees. Turn back. Grapes, guava, grapes there, limes there. Peach Street. Gotta go find the fam. Got these, not getting those. Information sheet, I think we're gonna get some red potatoes. And other ones, okay. Just now leaving Green Acres, they had so much different things in there. It was kind of a little bit overwhelming, but also fun to see all the different kind of plants. Yes, and a little bit, little one. I spent $86.35. Super excited to plant these seeds. Stay tuned for future videos. See what we plant and how we plant them. Bye.